Hey, welcome back to our channel. We're still in the quarantine. Today we're gonna make they said they're Kool-Lickles, but these are gonna be Flavor 8 Lickles or Flavor Lickles, whatever you want to call them. But they are Kool Aid or flavored pickles. We're gonna try these out, see how they taste. It takes like 5 days to make them, because you have to let them marinate. But the ingredients are: you need your pickles with your pickle juice, you need a ½ cup of sugar, and you need your flavor packet. Like I said, this is not Kool Aid, it's Flavor Aid, so hopefully it dissolves, because Flavor Aid is a little bit different than Kool Aid. But we're going to use cherry or red, and then grape. And the first thing you need to do is take off the juice from the pickles. And these are dill pickles. So I guess it's going to be a sweet and sour type. Chumpy. Oops. Dang, ain't that much juice in that one. I know I spilled a little bit, but oh. Okay. You need a ½ cup of sugar. I hope I ain't ruining these pickles either. This is great. Cherry. Ooh, those are dark. That grape. Oh no. You don't have to look like some black pickles.
Maybe the grain did it.
It's great. Oh yeah, the green. It's gonna be. They're gonna be black.
I smell it.
Okay, I think that's dissolved. And that's great. So more like black. So pour this back in there. Cherry.
Why did the amount just get bigger?
Because I added sugar. Remember? Okay, so in a week we're going to check back. And see how these things taste. So they'll either be in the garbage or you'll get a review. So, see you in a week. Hey, we're back. We're gonna try these Kool-Lickles. And y'all see them? They're right here. And then we got grape. And we got cherry. So we're going to give it a taste to see how they came out.
You can smell them.
Can you give me like a little sliver?
Oh, you're gonna
There's
get the
5
biggest
pieces right
chunk
there.
of them.
Use that one more.
There's 5 pieces right there. Okay.
Where's that knife?
No. No. Okay. We'll just grab a piece.
How about one for Roxy?
No.
God.
It's soaked all the way through.
Oh, you guys leave me with the fat pieces.
Here, Andy. Andy's over here trying to be in the film.
Go.
I can still smell. It smells like a pickle.
Yeah, it smells like a pickle. I smell cherry. You smell cherry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Get set. Go.
Go. It's like a sour cherry.
That's like a butter pickle. A butter bread. Or
It's
one of those.
weird.
Yeah, I can taste the cherry. It's
Tastes
not
like relish.
Oh yeah, like a relish, like it's sweet.
That's not bad. It's not bad though.
It's not the greatest, but it's not bad.
That one right there. That one's great.
Yeah. Go for it, Bob.
No.
Okay. Then we're gonna try the grape with a purple. It's not that bad.
Okay.
Couldn't sit down and eat them all. If you grab a purple,
Why y'all give me that?
grab a purple.
She didn't want that big of a
Okay, ready?
Ready? And take a bite this time.
I did.
Ready, set, go.
It just tastes like grape. There's no more pickle flavor.
Yeah, grape is strong.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's-
grape is really strong.
A grape pickle.
Yeah, grape is, not as good as cherry. But yeah, I wouldn't do that again. I'm glad they were only like $1.
So what are we gonna do with the rest of the pickles?
I don't know. I'll eat the cherry ones eventually. But the grape ones, I don't know, can dogs eat cherry? I mean, grape. Can
Well,
they
it
eat pickles?
has like
No.
sugars and stuff in it.
Can they eat pickles?
No,
No,
because
the
it's got like
juice.
garlic and stuff in it.
Oh, well, I guess it'll be in the cashola.
Now you can do other flavors, right?
Yeah,
I
I think
guess.
lemon would be fine.
Yeah, probably.
Like lemon would probably be better.
But yeah, so there you have it. Some Kool Aid Pickles. I don't know. I can't say if it's a fail or not, but cherry was all right. Great. They look like they taste nasty. That was a waste. But till then, go try them yourself. See you when we see y'all.
Bye.
Peace. Bye. Here, those can go garbage.
For real?